Parents of Reddit, how did your son/daughter's SO win you over? 1. I'm a martial arts instructor, among other things. I caught my daughter's boyfriend looking at my belt rack, 5th degree black belt, and trophies, from when I was much younger, and he said, "Are all those yours?" Yep. So you know how to throw someone? Yep. Could you teach me? How much of a setup did I need? I took him into the backyard and threw his skinny ass around for about 45 minutes. And every time he hit the ground, he got back up with a huge smile and said that was awesome. Show me how. So I took him to my class with my daughter, and had her practice throws on him. He never complained, never flinched, and never bitched. After class, I told my daughter I liked him. 2. Pecan pie. Yes, fixing computers helped, yes, him being a nice guy helped, but I swear my husband won over my entire family and extended family on his pie alone. Quote from every family meal ever before we got married, "Is your boyfriend coming? Is he bringing the pecan pie? Now that we are married, hey, where's his pecan pie? You know you married a winner there, he makes great pies."